assignment quiz. As usual, you can look at the theory question yourself. We'll discuss programming and problematic questions. So first question is this one. An integer array of 15 element is declared in C program. The memory location of first byte of an array is 2000. What will be the location of the 13th element of an array? Assume that it takes 2 bytes of memory. So given memory location, starting location is 2000, and the next location that takes 2 bytes of memory. In that way, so this is your given memory location 2000, and the value is 2000 is the first location, and second element that is incremented by 2, which means 1 times 2, that will be 2002, and third element will be 2 times 2, which means 4, you'll get 2004, and so on. If you go to 12th element, this will be 11 times 2, which means 22, so you'll get 2022, and for 13th element you will get 2000 plus 12 times 24, which is equal to 2024. You can just add plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 till the 13th location from the first location. Okay, so you will get the actual value, that is the 2024. That is the answer. And the next one is, how can you find sum of all the elements? So as far as the one dimensional array concern, the array location that starts from 0 to n minus 1 value. For example, if the array value is 6, then the starting value will be 0 1 2 up to 5. In the same way, this one, so the array element, which means a one dimensional array with the 5 elements using in the loop, means that should start from 0. So 0 to 4, that occupies 5 element. So 0 1 2 3 4, that will be less than 5, not equal to 5, because starting value is 0, ending value is 4, so it should be less than 5. That is the perfect option for this particular question. If it is equal to 5, then it is out of bound, because array value starting from 0 till 5, totally it has 6 values, but the given array is only 5 element array, so that should be noted here, that should be less than 5. Okay, if it is equal to less than or equal to 4, that can be an option. Okay, but it is not the case here, so the last option is the suitable one. And we'll discuss this question. We have been given an array with 1 2 3 4 5 and initialized with I equal to 0, and we have a while condition. While I less than 5, then we need to perform this one. Okay, so let us take a review on this. Yeah, so we have been given 1 2 3 4 5 as the array element, and as we discussed, array element starts from 0 to n minus 1 value, which means 0 location, 1 location, 2 3 and the fourth location. So what we want to do is, we want to check the condition. First condition is I initialized with 0 and I less than 5. 0 less than 5, the condition is true, so it is getting into the loop. 0 less than 5, so that prints the value of a of I. Value of a of I value is 0 for this case, this one. So a of 0 value is 1. A of 0 value is 1 here, and then there is another incremented, which is I equal to I plus 2. So 0 plus 2, you will get 2. Second time we want to check I less than 5. I value is 2 now, so 2 less than 5, again it is the true condition, so we want to print a of I value is 2 now, so a of 2 value is in the given array element is 3. So a of 2 equal to 3, that prints 3. And then we have updation I is equal to I plus 2, which means I value is 2, and 2 plus 2 will be 4. I value is 4 now, and then again while condition, 4 less than 5, again it is true, then it prints a of I value is 4 in this case, so a of 4 is equal to 5, so we will get 5 over here, and then 5 sorry, I plus 2 value here. I is 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now the condition is failed. So it will print up to 1, 3 and 5. So the answer will be 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. And the next one, we have been given array element 1 to 6, and we want to find what is j k I for the given condition. We'll go to that notes. Yeah. So this is array value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is your array location starting from 0 to 5. And we have initialized I, j, k as an integer. And now let us see what is the condition. So first j. J is equal to plus plus of array of 2. So plus plus is the pre-increment. So that will increment the array of 2 value. What is array of 2? Array of 2 is equal to 3, because 2 is nothing but a location. So 2 value, array of 2 is equal to 3. Since it is pre-increment, that will increment the value first. So what will you get? If it is 3, you will get pre-incremented, which is 4. And then k is equal to array of 1 plus plus. This is a post increment. So first it will print the value a of 1. A of 1 is this one, 2. So we'll get 2 for k. And then I value is equal to array of j plus plus. J plus plus inside the array value. So j value is equal to 4 in this case. So this is post incremented. So j plus plus means first 4 is printed here. So we'll get array of 4, which means a of 4 over here. Okay. So I equal to array of 4. Now we want to print out I, j, k. And what is a of 4? A of 4 is equal to 5. So we'll get 5 over here. And the second case, j value is equal to 4 in this case, and here it is post incremented. So j plus plus, at this location you will get only 4, but after this location if you print j, you will get post incremented value is 5. And then k value is equal to 2. So your final answer will be 5, 5, 2. 5, 5, 2. And this one, what is the output after execution of the program? We'll discuss that also. Yeah, so we have got an array which has 4 element, a of 4, and the values are 3, 1, 2, 4. And as usual, array index starts from 0 to 3. And another value which is initialized with result equal to a of 0. A of 0 value is 3 over here. Okay, now we have a for loop. We want to check what is inside the for loop. So for loop, it is initialized with I equal to 1, and condition is I less than 4, and then updation value. If the condition is satisfied, then it will perform if condition also. Okay, so first let us take one by one. I equal to 1. So when I equal to 1, this is 1 less than 4, the condition is true. So if of what is the result value? Result value is 3, and 3 is greater than a of I value is now 1. So what is a of 1 value? A of 1 is 1. So 3 greater than 1. The condition is true. So go to the next statement. Next statement is continue statement. So what will happen when you have a continue statement? It will not go to the next one. Instead, it will go to the beginning of the loop that skips the particular condition. Okay, so again I equal to 2 because updation is I plus plus. So again 2 over here, and 3 here. 3 greater than 2, again condition is true. So go to the next statement, continue. Again it go to the for loop. Now the updation value is 3, result is 3, and a of I also, a of I equal to now 3. So a of 3 is equal to 4. in this case. Since result is 3, a of 3 is 4, the value is 4, okay, and the condition is failed. When the condition is failed, it comes out of the loop, and then you will get the result value is equal to a of I, and a of I is nothing but a of 3, which is equal to 4 value. You can see over here. When condition is failed, that skips the value, and finally you will have to have a printf of result equal to a of I. Current value of I is equal to 3, so a of 3 value is 4 here, so you will get output is 4. Ninth one, it is easy one. Switch case I, integer n equal to 2, sum equal to 5, it is initialized. When switch cases occur, then you have to substitute n value, which is 2. When n is 2, that goes to case 2. Case 2 is equal to sum minus 3, which means 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. And then there is no break statement in between case, so this will allow the next case also in the printing statement. So what will happen in the next case, which is sum into 4. So at this location sum value is 2, okay, so 2 is the first location, case 2 location. Since there is no breaking statement, that will go to the case 3 also. Case 3 is equal to sum into 4. So sum is nothing but 2 right now, so 2 into 4, you will get 8 over here. So after that we have a break statement, and since it is a break statement, it will come out and it will print the value of sum is now 8, this one. And the last one, I guess, yeah. So the last one, we have been given array value 1 to 5, and we want to know what is array of 1. A is equal to array of 1 plus plus, and so on. We'll discuss directly over here. So int array of I is equal to 1 to 5, and array index starts from 0 to 4. So first statement is array of 1 equal to, so array of 1 is assumed to be pre-increment of array of 1. So what is array of 1 according to the index value? Array of 1 equal to 2. Since it is pre-incremented, it will be incremented at first, so you will get 3 over here. And then a is another variable, which is equal to array of 1 plus plus. Now what is array of 1? Array of 1 is equal to 3. Since it is post incremented, first it will print the value 3 directly, and then it will increment, okay. So but for this now, for this case, a equal to 3 now, because it is post incremented, so the direct value will appear at this location, okay. And then the next statement, array of 1 again is declared, which is equal to array of a plus plus. A value is 3 here, and array of 1 now changed to array of a plus plus. A plus plus value is, this is not array a or of value, it is a plus plus value. A value is 3 only, okay, not array of 1. This is a equal to 3. So a plus plus is post incremented, so first it will print 3 directly, a of 3. And then I hope you understood what I said. Printf statement is a and array of 1. So what is a value? A value is 3 over here, and that a value is post incremented here. At this location the value is same 3, but after this if you print a value, that will be incremented value, so you'll get a equal to 4. In the same way, array of 1 is equal to a of, which means array of 3. This is not a of 3, this is array of a plus plus is array of 3. So array of 1 now is equal to array of 3, What is array of 3 value? Array of 3 value is 4 here. So for this case, a and array of 1, both values are 4 and 4. So 4 and 4 is the final answer. Okay, and I have given shorts for this. You can directly get the answer